It wasn't a lot, just $100. If you saw that number right now, you probably wouldn't even react. It's not impressive. It's not life-changing. It's not the kind of money people brag about. But for Michael, that $100 meant more than anything he had ever earned before. Because for the first time, it made sense. There was no confusion, no guessing, no, maybe this works, maybe it doesn't. Just a simple result from something he actually understood, and that changed everything. A few months before that moment, Michael's life looked very different. From the outside, it didn't look like he was failing. He was always busy, always doing something, watching videos, taking notes, researching ideas, trying new things. If you asked him, he would say, "I'm working on it. I'm figuring it out. I just need more time." And honestly, he believed that. But deep down, nothing was really moving forward, because every time he started something, he never stayed long enough to understand it. It always followed the same pattern. He would find a new method, something exciting, something that looked easy, something that promised fast results. And for a moment, he felt different, motivated, focused, certain that this was the one. He would start working, put in hours, learn the basics, set things up, and then nothing. No results, no feedback, no progress, just silence. And slowly, that excitement would turn into doubt, then frustration, then boredom, and finally, he would quit. Not because he wanted to, but because it stopped feeling worth it. And then he would start again with something new, and the cycle would repeat. At first, Michael thought the problem was the methods. This one doesn't work. That one is too hard. This one is outdated. But after trying enough things, a different thought appeared, a more dangerous one. What if the problem is me? And once that thought enters your mind, everything changes, because now every failure feels personal, every mistake feels like proof that you're not good enough, not smart enough, not disciplined enough. And when you start believing that, you don't just lose progress, you lose confidence. But then something unexpected happened. Not a big moment, not a dramatic change, just a quiet realization. Michael asked himself a simple question. If I had to pay someone online, what would I actually pay for? Not hype, not promises, not easy money, real value, something useful, something clear, something repeatable. And for the first time, he stopped looking at methods and started thinking about value. So he changed his approach. He didn't try more things. He didn't work harder. He simplified. He chose one direction, one skill, one path. And instead of chasing results, he focused on showing up every day, even when nothing happened, even when it felt pointless, even when he doubted himself. Because this time, he wasn't chasing motivation, he was building consistency. And then it happened. A small notification, $100. That was it. No noise, no celebration, just a quiet moment. But inside, something shifted, because for the first time, he knew exactly where it came from. That moment taught him everything, not about money, but about how money actually works. It's not about doing more, it's about doing the right thing, long enough. It's not about finding the perfect method, it's about becoming valuable. And once you understand that, everything becomes simpler. If you're still stuck, trying everything, starting and stopping, listen carefully. You don't need another method. You don't need more information. You need one direction, one system, and the patience to stay with it, because that's how it starts. Not with thousands, not with success, but with the first $100. That finally makes sense.